Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to create a table in Microsoft Word. So click on start button to run the program window of Microsoft Word. Scroll right and here is the program window. To insert a table we have to click on the insert tab. So here is the insert tab, click on it. From here we have to access the tables group. It's just below the insert tab. Click on it. We have two methods to insert a table. From here the first method I'm going to use is the grid method. From here we have to select rows and columns. You can see the number of columns and number of rows in this grid. Column vertical arrangement of these boxes, and the row means horizontal arrangement of the boxes. So you know the table is the combination of both rows and columns. So from here I'm going to choose one column 3 rows, and 2 column 3 rows, and 3 columns 3 rows, and 4 columns 3 rows. You can see on the top of this dialog box it's showing the size of the table is 4 by 3. So click on it. You can see I have successfully inserted a table containing 2 rows and 4 columns. So another method of inserting table in Microsoft Word is go to insert tab again and go to the table just below. Go to the tables group just below insert tab, click on it, and from here you can see we have insert table option. Click on it. It will show you a dialog box, the pop-up menu. From here we have to choose table size, and the first is number of columns and the second is number of rows. Here I'm going to choose 4 columns. We can increase and decrease number of columns on the up and down button. I'm going to increase number of rows to 3, and I have decreased the number of columns to 4, from 5 to 4. Now I have to click on OK. You can see I created another table in 3 rows and 4 columns. The next thing we are going to do is how to apply some color to this table. So first we have to click on the top of this symbol. So click on it. As you click on this symbol, it will select the whole table and activate the two additional tabs on the ribbon. So these are design tab and layout tab. From here I have to click on the design. Now the design tab shows you table styles group. From here I can click on any style, like the first style, second style, and third, many more styles you can choose from the list. So I'm going to choose this table style. The first way to doing applying styles on tables. Again I'm applying some styles to another table. So again go to design tab, and from here I'm going to the shadings. Click on shadings. It will show you the theme colors. From here I have to choose this color, orange, and let's check color to single cell, because I didn't select the whole table, so I'm going to select the whole table again and go to design tab, and again go to shadings, click on the shadings and click on it. So you can see I have successfully applied some defined colors to the first table, and I have applied another colors, customized color to the second table. So now I will show you how to delete the tables. So for deleting tables, we have to click on the left top of the table, and then you have to press the backspace key from the keyboard. And again I'm going to delete the second table and press the backspace key table. So friends, this was the lesson for today. If you want to ask something, please to leave a comment below and we'll be happy to get back to you. Thanks for watching.